Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to compare Xero with Wave. The first thing I'm going to talk about is what I actually recommend and when, and what are some differences, but there are not so many differences in both of these softwares. The next thing I'm going to talk about are pricing plans, and then I'm going to show the features, like how it actually feels to use Xero and how it actually feels to use Wave. So let's start. Now, what is my recommendation? If you're just starting out or you're a freelancer or you have small business, I would definitely go with Wave. So if you don't need actually complexity, that's like really good option. I really believe in that. There are many reasons for it, but I will get to it. But if you have a mid-sized business, you have employees, I would definitely go with Xero. Only because the complexity, if you need also accountant, Xero is really good choice. And now, why is that? I'm going to combine the differences also with the pricing plans. Wave is completely for free. Invoicing also, if you want to do reporting, it's free. But what they take money from is payment processing and also payrolls. So these are the two things they are making money on. Xero, on the other hand, got $20 per month starter, good for freelancers, sole traders, and new businesses, and $30 standard, enter bills, send invoices and quotes. So most people are going for the $30 option here. And you can say that's a lot, but if you're gonna have like medium-sized business, it's all right price. I really believe in that. So, and then you got optional add-ons here, track projects and claim expenses. And on the premium, you have option also to have multiple currencies if you need to. So Xero is much more expensive comparing to Wave, but again, it's complex. And now I'm going to show you the features, how it feels, and I'm going to talk about like those differences. On both got the dashboard here with checking account, with account watch list, invoice owed to you, bills need to pay in Xero. In Wave, you get again cash flow, profit and loss, payable owning, net income. So it's a little bit different, but another thumbs up for Wave, only because the Wave it's much prettier, it's much easier to understand Wave comparing to Xero. Another thing is that Xero got more integrations comparing to Wave, and you can have like multiple organizations here, and then you get like payroll powered by Gusto, so it's like the integration is top notch. So if you have employees, just go with Xero. Then you get sales here, that you can like create estimates here, or even create invoices. And this is like create an invoice in the top right. I'm going to move my camera down now. And this is really simple. Add a new customer, add a new item, really simple, really easy. Xero, again, top right, invoice to someone, let's go with Smart Agency, item, book, voila. Really simple. And then just on the right bottom, approve. So these are the two, it's similar, but it depends which one you like more. Then you can create recurring invoices. This is the same with Xero. Checkouts, payment, customer statements, also with Xero. When you would go business here, invoice, quote, sales overview. Then you got for purchases, you got bills, receipts, vendors. And same thing, bills to pay, purchase order, purchase overview. But you can see it right here. What I want to show is that to find a vendor, you need to go actually to contacts, and then here you're going to find here suppliers. You're not going to find it here. But when I'm going to click bills to pay, I can simply add a new credit note, and this is what I mean by complexity. You see drafts here, awaiting approval, awaiting payment, paid, repeating. And when I'm going here to purchases and bills, right? See, it's not that complex. So if you're gonna have a lot of things, Xero is completely going to dominate Wave. And then you get like vendors here, and yeah. Then you get accounting here. Then you can like see transactions, reconciliation, chart of accounts. And again, when I go here to accounting, Xero is much more complex with account transactions, manual journals, chart of accounts, advanced. So I can go here to reports and click here on reports. And you're gonna have much more reports here in Xero if you need some. But yes, they both got balance sheet. They both got profit and loss if you needed to, right? But again, Xero is more complex in this. Then bank accounts, also banking, connected accounts that you can have. and you can simply add a bank account. Another thing that I like about Xero is that you can have templates. Like there are templates for invoices that you're going to automatically add type of template you need in Xero. So that's another thing that I like. In accounting, chart of accounts, hire bookkeeper, reconciliation, on both of these. See, reconciliation, you both have it. It depends which one you like more. Then to go further, you have reports here, payroll, that you can run the payroll. I really like the payrolling through Gusto. And combined with Xero, that's a top notch, but it's up to you which one you like. But again, yeah. So then to go further, another thing what you can find here, what you can't find are projects. Here in Wave, you can see projects. And when you go to dashboard, create new, you just don't have it here. In Xero, you have it. So when you would come here to all project, you can simply add a new project or in progress. I have a project here. I can go to add task, time entry, estimate expenses, expense, time, or add a new invoice as a deposit. So that's what you can do. And yeah, then we see pricing and plans, Wave and pricing. And that's pretty much it. So, and then you have a contacts here. Again, that's more complex comparing to Wave. That I see the customers, suppliers, and everything here. But here in Wave, you don't have something like that. Yes, you have when you would go to sales or you would go to the purchases and you see the customers, but you just don't see it all combined together, you know? So to summarize this whole video, Xero is dominating if you think for complexity. Wave is complex too, but not that complex comparing to Wave. So my recommendation would be, if you're just starting out, go with the Wave because it's free. But if you're gonna get employees, if you're gonna, I don't know, be as a mid-sized business with a lot of customers, a lot of also vendors or suppliers, I would definitely go with Xero. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. I'm really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. I hope this video was helpful and it gave you some value. And yep, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.